Hi, in this video, I'm going to continue review exercise for more equation, formula, and function. So we need to list the domain and range of each function. This is 13a. So the domain is, here we can, input as the input. We can put any number. So here we can write it, x is a real number. And then for the range, as the x will be the real number, so the y is a real number. Okay, next, look at here. We got negative 2x. So first, here they state x need to be bigger than 0. So B, the domain, so the x is bigger than 0 and x is a real number. Look at it, if this is bigger than 0, if minus 2, we multiply it with any number without negative, this will be still negative. And then we got plus by 4, so 4 always be minus. So for the range or the output or the answer, we can write it y. This need to be less than 4, as this is gonna be always minus. So if this is 1, it's gonna be 2, but however it's gonna be always less than 4. And y is a real number. Okay, here. Okay, the set is x not equal to 0. So the domain x is not equal to 0 and x is a real number. Okay, if x is not equal to 0, we will never get the answer of y equal to 0, or the output will never get equal to 0. So the range also y is not equal to 0 and y is a real number. Okay, let's continue 14. Okay, let us find it, the f inverse. So this is the input x. What happened to x? First, they multiplied by 2. Then they minus by 3. The last, they divided by 5. Then we got the output. Now the output, it will become the input. So if this is divided by 5, so the x gonna be multiplied by 5. So we got 5x. If this is negative, it's gonna be plus by 3. So we got 5x plus by 3. This is multiplied by 2, so divided by 2. So the output we got is 5x plus by 3 over 2. So here the f inverse x equal to 5x plus 3. Then we divide by 2. Okay, 15. Find it f inverse. Okay, look at the f inverse. So the input is x. What happened to x? They multiply it by 3. So they got as 3x and then plus by 4. So the output is 3x plus 4. Now we make it reverse. The x, if this is plus by 4, so gonna be minus by 4. So we got as x minus 4. This is multiplied by 3, so divided by 3. So the output is gonna be x minus 4, we divide by 3. So A, f inverse x equal to x minus 4, we divide by 3. Okay, I will show you another method for g. So we make it y equal to x minus 2 divided by 5. We change it y into x into y. This is x equal to y minus 2 divided by 5. Okay, we can rearrange it. It's gonna be 5x equal to y minus 2. And then y equal to 5x plus by 2. So the g inverse x gonna be 5x plus by 2. Okay, here B. Find f inverse of 13. So we can just substitute. So this is 13 minus by 4. We divided by 3. Okay, this is gonna be 9 over 3. So this is equal to 3. Okay, next find the value of a if fa equal to 22. Okay, here also fa. So if this is fa, it's gonna be 3a plus by 4. So C fa equal to 22, fa equal to 3a plus 4 equal to 22. We minus by 4 both of sides, so 3a equal to 18 divided by 3 both of sides. We got a equal to 18 divided by 3 equal to 6. Okay, D. Okay, f of x. So the output is here 3x. However, instead of writing x, we will keep it as empty bracket. 3 empty bracket plus by 4. What is the input? Input is fx. Fx is 3x plus 3. So write it down here. 3x plus 4. So expanded 9x plus by 12 plus by 4. So 9x plus by 16. E, G inverse. Okay, here is G inverse. So let us find it first. G inverse f of x. So output is 5. Right, instead of writing x, we will make it empty bracket plus by 2. The output is fx. So fx is 3x plus 4. We expanded. It's gonna be 15x plus 20 plus by 2. So this is 15x plus by 22. Okay, if this is 1, so let us find it. G inverse fx. We want to G inverse f of 1. So this is 15 times 1 plus by 22. So the answer is 37. Okay, here is the last question. GH. Okay, output is G. So here is GH of x. So instead of writing x, we will keep it as empty bracket 3. And then bracket plus by 1. Here is empty bracket minus by 1. So we substitute the input hx. This is 2x minus 3. Here also 2x minus 3. They would like us to here input the value of a half. So GH of a half equal to 3. And then we just change it all the x. So 2 multiplied by a half minus 1. Plus by 1. Then next. Here is 2 multiplied by a half. Then minus by 3. Plus by 1. And not plus, is still minus by 1. Okay, we continue. This is 3. Okay, 2 and a half is 1. 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2 plus by 1 divided by minus 2 minus by 3. So we got as minus 6 plus 1 equal to minus 5. So this is gonna be minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 we divided by minus 5. Okay, let's check it again. Here is 1. 1. So this is gonna be minus 5. We divided by minus 3. minus 5, we divide by minus 3, or we could simplify it, we divide by negative 1, both of them, so it's gonna be 5 over 3. Okay, G inverse H. So let's find it, the H inverse. Okay, multiplied by 2 minus 3, so H inverse X gonna be X plus by 3, then we divide by 2. Okay, here the same thing like this. However, instead of input it 2x minus 3, we will input here x plus 2, x plus 3, and then divide by 2. So 3 here is x plus 2 divided x plus 3 divided by 2 plus by 1, we divided by x plus 3 divided by 2 and then minus 1. So here is G H inverse of minus 2, we can just substitute it. So 3 we multiply by minus 2 plus 3 divided by 2 and plus by 1. Another one is minus 2 plus 3 divided by 2, we minus it by 1. So you go 3, we multiply it by, here is gonna be 1 over 2 or 0.5 plus 1. Here also is gonna be 0.5 negative 1. Okay, 3 we multiplied by 0.5, so we got 1.5 plus 1, we divide by, here is negative 0.5, so we got 2.5 divided by negative 0.5, the answer is negative 5. Okay, I need one more, okay, space, one more page. HG, so HG, so here's the equation 2x minus 3. So HG of x, so 2 bracket plus by 3. So what is the input is g, so we'll write it the gx, 3x plus 1. We divide by x minus 1. What was the question? The question is, okay, negative 3. So hg of negative 3 equal to 2. We can just substitute 3 multiplied by negative 3 plus 1 divided by negative 3 negative by 1 plus by 3. So this is 2. We process the bracket, minus 9 plus 1 is going to be minus 8. We divide by minus 4 plus by 3. So this is 2. We multiply by 2 plus by 3. So the answer is going to be 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 3. Is it? Let's check it. Okay, here is minus 3. Here is minus 3, not plus by 3. Okay, here minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, and minus 3. So 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Okay, here is last question. Okay, hg of x equal to 1. So hg of x equal to 1. What is hg of x? This is 2, then 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 equal to 1. Okay, let's multiply by 2. So it's gonna be 4x. Let's check it again. Okay. It's not 3. Come on, it's 3. So it's gonna be 6x plus by 2. We divide by x minus 1. As this is 3, so let us multiply by x minus 3. So 3x, 3 times x minus 1. Here divided by x minus 1 equal to 1. So this is 6x plus 2 minus 3 times x gonna be minus 3x, minus 3 times negative 1 is 3. We divided by x minus 1 equal to 1. Okay, we multiplied by x minus 1, both of sides. So here 6x plus by negative 3x, we got 3x plus 5 equal to x minus 1. Here we minus by x both of sides, we got 2x, and then minus by 5 both of sides, 2x equal to minus 6. So x we got equal to negative 3. Okay, there it is. Thank you.